ICS Schneider Messtechnik GmbH.
The metrics revolution is underway. Based on the latest technologies from our R&D department, these instruments have been designed for use in the lab and in the field. The new generation of precision multimeters make way for the ASYC IV range. A new design for optimum handling. Rugged and leak-proof for use in the field. Accurate measurements viewed on the 6,000, 60,000 or 100,000 count display. Troubleshooting. Recording faults. Analysis on process systems. Current measurements with direct readings. SXDMM, the software for processing and analyzing your measurements. With the ASYC IV multimeters, the metrics revolution is underway.
Besuchen Sie uns auf www.ics-schneider.de oder rufen Sie uns direkt an unter der 03303 50 40 66.